everybody? What's going on, everybody? I'm back here with another day of riding. Today I'm actually doing something that I've been wanting to do for a pretty long time. I'm actually going to take a how to wheelie course right now. You know, it's where they put like the little training wheels on the bike, and then pretty much you just practice wheelies. I've been telling myself for like a year that I'm going to do it now, so today's the day. I'm running a little late. I hope I get there. I'm supposed to start at 3. So yeah, hopefully I get there on time. I think I should. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm pretty excited. I think that you do it on a Grom. So yeah, pretty much we'll see how it goes. If I know how to wheelie by the end of the day, maybe I'll throw a couple on video. So I am on the way there now. I'm probably not going to record too much of the way there. There's supposed to be a lot of traffic, and it's kind of windy. The sound is probably going to be a little crazy. But I am not too far out. As you can see, there's already extremes amount of traffic. So I'm probably going to turn the GoPro off until I get fairly close. I also want to just conserve a little bit of battery, or as much as I can. So yeah, once I get there, I'll turn everything back on. Nice. So we've been going at it for like an hour already, probably like 40 minutes. Finally popping them up pretty nicely. Nope. Let's get a nice one right here. Nice. Jeez, bro, my hand is starting to cramp. They weren't lying when they said that. Well, I just scraped. If that counts as scraping, I don't know, but that's what I did. Oh, it was decent. Okay. Basically, if this hits, I'm too far back. Okay. I would have just busted my ass. All right. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That brake only works. Even if right now you're going so slow to the point, even if you did tap that brake, it was only momentum that brought you back. The bike will stay back there.
Yeah.
That's a real fault.
Okay.
So if you do tap it, you gotta tap it a little sooner and stay on it until that bike comes down.
All right, bet. Alright, that's better. Nope. Alright, that one wasn't too bad. Alright, well, it is good to get the feeling of actually doing a wheelie. It's really not as easy as they make it look on the internet, that's for sure. What happened?
To continue, you wouldn't push the brake so hard.
Okay.
Tap it, push it, keep your cam down, and then idle back into it. But keep doing that for now.
Yeah, I see what you mean, like when you feel it. Nice. Alright. Definitely nowhere close to perfect, but freaking hand is hurting. Nice. Nice. What happened? I can't hear you.
Can you feel when you're too far back?
Yeah. I feel like the momentum just shoot me right backwards, yeah.
So you feel when you have a better one.
Oh yeah, easily. Yeah. Like that one right there, even though I was hitting the brake, I felt the bike still going back. So if you're trying to hold it up, when you feel that, you would just give it more brake.
Yes. You want to come out of that completely before you ever think about giving it more gas.
Yeah.
More gas won't bring you forward. It only brings you.
It brings you backwards, yeah.
Do a couple more than Parker.
All right. Nice. Ah. Oof. My clutch finger is literally in shambles right now. Nope. It would have did what?
In real
Oh.
Training wheels are holding you up.
Yeah, alright. Shit ain't easy. You said that was a good one?
You got the brake, that's for sure.
Okay.
One more and then come work it.
You said one more?
Don't push the brake so hard.
Alright, so I just got done with the wheelie school. It was good. I feel like I actually did learn the concept of having to do a wheelie, which I already kind of had, but I just never put it into motion. I mean, I've done wheelies on my bike a couple times. I don't have a cage or anything on it, so I never really tried to like stunt on my bike. So doing it was cool. On the Grom, it was definitely, I feel like it was definitely harder to pop up because it's a small bike. But it was cool to have the feeling of like balance point and just where it's at. But yeah, I mean, I had a good time. Riding home, it feels so funny being on this bike after riding the Grom. Because this is like one pull and you pop up. But it's cool. It was definitely worth the money, I think. I mean, it's 150 bucks for an hour, but when you take into account the gas, the wear and tear you're putting on someone else's bike, and all that, it definitely was worth it, I think, considering the fact that I feel like I did learn how to wheelie. Now I gotta find the gas station, because this thing says I have more than half, but there's no shot I have more than half.